We're getting off the ship today again in Coquimbo, Chile. And we got off this morning and we hiked up to that cross along one of these zigzag stairways. And there's like 3 or 4 of them out there, maybe more. We got up to the cross and we got back to the ship. And then it's the Sapphire Princess. And then we decided, well, let's go out again. And so this time we're gonna head over to that hill, sort of. A shopping mall. Or some shopping. Come from the ship around into this terminal building, and sometimes they x-ray your stuff and sometimes they don't. And I'm assuming they have free Wi-Fi in here, and that's why all these people are down here sucking up the free Wi-Fi. They do have a bathroom in here, and Janet's headed towards it. And then you come out of the port gate, Puerto Coquimbo, and there's a few people trying to sell stuff here. Here we could take a better look. Leather, jewelry. A lot of people go out there and take a picture. Wood carving.
15 US? How much? $15 US.
More jewelry, more jewelry. Guy playing music. So there are boats at anchor out here. Some look like they've been at anchor for a long time. There's a couple pirate ships there. And people hanging out by the water.
Somebody's swimming there too.
And another person swimming. So the ship is, well, right there. So we've been walking down this parking lot, I guess it is. Also the sidewalk. Where they're building that tall building, that road right there. That, if you're gonna go see the cross, we recommend walking that way. There's one of those zigzaggy stairways. See it way up there? It's brightly colored. It's about 1.5 miles up. I mean, it looks like it's really close, but it's not. And it's uphill all the way. So, but from the ship, you can walk down this path and you're in this little, you know, mall thing. There is a fancy mall further on with it too. So, there's lots of shops selling food. Selling llamas. Selling keychains. Mate cups. Everything you might want. And it stopped way back there. I moved on. Hey, they have Uno and Dose. Never heard of Dose, but anyway, they got Bob Marley singing, so I'm going to have to get away from that. Of course, hash pipes. I don't think marijuana is legal here, but pipes are. And this goes down, way down there. So that might be the name of where we are. Feria Artisanal, Coquimbo. So artisan market. Helado soft. Oh, serve yourself. There's the artisanal market or whatever, kiosks. And we've been walking along the water the whole way, just between sets of buildings. Oh, it's starfish. See that? Artist marketplace is down there. We walked into an area that's like restaurants or something, and maybe a fish market. So we're going to go that way. And there's a fish, and he's eating one. And it smells like a fish market. Oh, those are some big shrimp. See those? I'm hoping there's an exit down here. That's the fish market there, and it goes on a little bit maybe. Gets really dark down there. We decided to walk out on the street a little bit to get a taste of Coquimbo. See, there's more fish market. We've been told to be careful. You can buy a fish and they cook it for you and they'll serve it, but settle on a price ahead of time. That's what they told us on the ship, because there's been some bad experiences. That's the fish market. There's the ship way down there. I'm not sure what this is. Almost looks like a stadium of some sort. This is a park, but I think it's closed off today for some reason. I don't see anybody in there, and they're watering. And that's the mall, so we're going to head to the mall. Looks like there's a lot more shopping to be had and a lot more traffic. Ship way down there, shopping along the shore there, across the street. We're going to go into this mall real quick. It's apparently, you know, a modern mall like any other mall. So this is the street we've been walking along. You see the ship down there. I just wanted to show you there's a beach. But it looks like there might be tents on the beach, like homeless. I don't know for sure, but it's nice calm, no waves. See that? They're very small waves. Lots of lots of seagulls. Hey! So, and that's La Serena off in the distance. And that's where people on cruise ships usually go. We're told. And then this is the mall, and that's where we're going. And this is a park, but like I said, it's locked up. There's nobody in there. So we're gonna go to this mall. Ship's off that way. Here's the park. It's closed. Got a big playground. There's one of those net things, jungle gyms, whatever. Assuming this is the entrance to the mall up here. The fish. Mermaid. Oh no. Anyway, let's cross. Oh. And that's it. So this is the mall. And there are cars in here, I guess for sale or something, ads. Restaurants. That's a Shop Dog. Escalators. Come around there, those are the cars. It's an ad for Chevrolet. We came to our Ripley store. We see these all over Chile. Not that we've been all over, but we have been to several ports, and there was a Ripley in every one of them. Several in some. So apparently this mall is 3 levels high, and there's a Ripley on every floor because it's a big department store. Prenuk. There's where the cars were. Escalators up. Oh, up here it's even higher. So there's the mall, Vivo Mall. There's dogs. And there's Janet crossing the street. And there's the cross up on the hill. Maybe it would be better to go to it from here. Anyway, we're gonna walk back to the ship and sail off to Peru. You got some people selling stuff here. Hey, we saw that guy yesterday. Huggy Wuggy. Never heard of it. But there was somebody dressed as him in one of the cities yesterday, San Antonio. or Vina del Mar. So that's the mall down there. There's a panaderia, but there's a subway right here in case you're interested. The ship is, hey, it's the obelisk of Coquimbo. The ship is straight through there. And all these places are closed up today, it looks like. Lots of buses. A nice sidewalk here. Of course, there's a certain amount of this. Notice. Of course, there's also murals. There's the cross. This is a school, I believe. Maybe a private school. They're wearing uniforms. Came down that street, and we came down around here, and Janet says, let's go, go, go. And there's the ship. So the mall was down there. All those booths, the Artisans Mall, whatever, was down there. And the ship is here. Next stop, Peru. So from Coquimbo, Chile, this is Garrett.
And Janet saying see you in the next port.
Port May's out.
Bye.
Bye. Back to the port.